Pay homage to the Buddha by reciting Namo Tassa 3 times. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Faithful devotees, dear brothers and sisters in the Dhamma, today also we are continuously going to explain the groups originating from temperature, means the Utuja Kalapa. I think everyone remember that I already explained before the Kammaja Kalapa, Kamma-born Kalapa and Chittaja Kalapa, Chitta-born Kalapa. There are 9 group. There are 9 type of group of Kammaja Kalapa. Same way there are 6 type of group Chittaja Kalapa according to the Abhidhammatta Sangaha, but we add extra 2 Kalapa according to the meditation manual book. But now today we have to explain Utuja Kalapa. The topic is Utuja temperature Kalapa. How about the Pali mention? Suddhattakang Saddha Navakang Lahuta Eka Dasakang Saddha Lahuta Di Dwadasakang Cheti Chattaru Utu Samuttana Kalapa. Now the brief meaning. Suddhattakang, the pure octet, 8 group. Saddha Navakang, the sound nonat, means the 9 group of sound. Lahuta Eka Dasakang, the undecayed of the lightness triad, means there are Ekadasa 11 type of group of lightness. Saddha Lahutadi Dwadasakam, the dodecade of sound, and the lightness triad, means there are 12 group of sound with lightness, etc. These 4 originate from temperature. There are Utuja Kalapa. There are 4 Utuja Kalapa. How we understand according to the that book, there are 4 type of temperature born Kalapa. Okay, now there are 4 type of temperature born Kalapa. The pure octet, Suddhattakam, this is found throughout the 6 sense bases and in most of the 42 parts of the body. Now, do you remember that? About how about the 8 pure 8 group of Utuja Kalapa? We can see throughout all the body. Please refer to table 4G and 4H in the appendix, but later we can go to the check about the table 4G and 4H table. End of our lesson they add, but anyway we can go there to check. It is also found in all external non-living things. Now we can find there are 2 types of Utuja Kalapa. No? First one, the internal, internal throughout the body and the living body. Same way, we can found all external non-living things. Number 2, the sound No, not means the Sadda Navaka, the 9 group of sound. 9 group of sound. This kalapa has 9 rupas, sound, and the 8 avinibhog in separable rupa. Now you can see, understand. It is involved when sound are created in the stomach and other parts of the body which are not related to the speech vocal cord or the breath. This is a sound that because sometimes we can listen some sound from the stomach, the wind, wind sound. It is also involved when sound are created among external non-living things. For example, the wind blowing against the leaf on the tree or on the ground. Now we can see the outside sound, no? Same way, the internal sound also arises with the Utuja Kalapa, then external sound also arises with Utuja Kalapa. Now this one you can understand the practically in your daily life. Example, sometimes when you get hungry, at that time we can feel some sound in the stomach, no? Some sound. This is also Utuja, the sound with 8 group, the Utuja Kalapa arising in the internal body. The same way in the outside, the external non-living thing also make the sound. The lightness triad, undecayed, means the Lahutadi Eka Dasaka Kalava, because the means there are 11 group. Now we know about the 8, pure 8 group, but we have to add Lahuta, Muduta, Kamanyata. The lightness, smoothness, wildness, if I not wrong, Lahuta, Muduta, Kamanyata together, the 8 group together with the 3 extra rupa become 11 group. Actually, those are 11 group we can see only internal in the living thing, not the unliving thing, because the lightness, smoothness, the lahuta, muduta, kamanyata, these three rupa we can feel in the internal body only, not the external thing. Same way, the sound and lightness triad to dodicate sound Lahutadi Dwadasa. There are 12 group of sound. Means the eight group and the sound and Lahuta, Muduta, Kamanyata. Those are 12 rupa rising together in the internal body, in the living thing. Now you have to understand how you can feel the temperature kalapa in internal body and externally. Strictly internally and strictly externally. How we understand this is you can understand. You can practice by yourself. The first 2 types of kalapas are found both internal and external to the body within living being as well as in non-living things. Now you can understand, no? The first 8, pure 8 kalapa and 8 with sound kalapa. These 2 kalapa we can found both internal and external. Internal means the body within living being as well as in non-living thing. This way you can understand. The last 2 type of kalapas with the lightness triad, the lautadi, are found only internal to the body. Internal to the body within living thing. Now last 2, because the pure 8 group arising together with the Lauta, Muduta, Kammanta is the one group. Another group, pure 8, arising with sound and Lauta, Muduta, Kammanta together. This last 2 group, 2 kalapa, only arises with the living being, with the living thing. Now you can understand practically also. Temperature-borne lightness triad lahuta are found produced when there is suitable temperature or conducive climate condition. Now you can understand the how we because the sometimes the Utuja Kalapas also we can feel the not heavy, very smooth, very light, because when we are get the suitable food, suitable climate, suitable things, because of that we can feel very light Utuja Kalapa. Table 4C, temperature-borne Utuja Rupa Kalapas. Now you can go to the table 4C. Now you can see Utuja Rupa Kalapa. There are 4 types of Utuja Kalapa. No? Suddhattakang, pure 8 group. Saddhanavakang, pure 8 with sound group, within the 9. Lautadi Ekadasakang, the PO8 and Lahuta Muduta common, there are 11 group. Sadda Lahutadi Dwadasakan, the APO8 sound with light Lahuta Muduta common, there are 12 group. This is a 4 type of Utuja Kalapa. How we understand, but the number, how many rupa? The PO8 means the 8 rupa become one group. 9 rupa become the one group. Same way, the 11 rupa become one group. 12 rupa become one group. There are 8, 9, 11, 12 the rupa. Now the how we counted, when how we can count 8 inseparable rupa everywhere have. In the PO8, the 9 group, in the 11 group and 12 group, everywhere we can see the 8 Aviniboga Rupa. 8 Aviniboga Rupa. 8 Aviniboga Rupa. And the sound, how about sound? We can see in the 2 place only. In the second, the 9 group, and 4 and the 12 group. There are only 2 places we can see the sound. And about the Lahuta, Mudda, Kamanyata, 3 rupa, we can see the 2 places, the 3rd group and 4th group. Again, you can see that you are not the table 4C. There are 8 Aviniboga Rupa, we can see every Kalapa. The sound, we can see the 2 places, and the Lahuta, Muduta, Kamanyata also we can see in the 2 places. But important thing, first 2 Kalapa, we can see internal and external, but last 2 Kalapa, we can see only internal, in the living thing, only in the living being. This is a temperature-borne Kalapa. You understand? Yeah, okay. Now we can go groups originating from nutriment. Our next chapter. In the Pali, they say Suddhatakang Lahuta Ekadasakang Cheti Ve Ahara Sabuddhana Kalapa. Now the pure octet and the undecayed of the lightness triad are the 2 material groups that originate from nutriment. Now there are 2 types of ahara kalapa. There are 2 ahara kalapa. There are only 2 types of nutriment-borne kalapa. First one, the pure 8 kalapa, pure 8 group. Number 2, pure 8 with Lahuta, Muduta, Kamanyata, 3 together, 11 group, 11 rupa. Both are found throughout the 6 sense bases and the most of the 42 parts of the body. Now we can feel the, we can understand the ahara kalapa in the throughout the our body. When suitable and conducive food has been eaten, it will generate nutriment borne ahara kalapas together with the lightness triad lahutadi. Now we can understand the when the suitable and conducive food that has been eaten, it will generate nutriment borne ahara kalapas together with the lightness state lahuta. Now I think you can understand, no? Table 4D, the nutriment borne aharaja rupa kalapa. Now the table, there are aharaja rupa kalapa, there are two, no? Suddhatakang, pure 8 group, pure 8 group. The number 2, the lahutadi eka dasakang, 8 group with lahuta, muduta, kammanyat become 11 rupa. Now the first one, the 8 rupa, second one become 11 rupa. 11 rupa. Now the 2 kalapa. Now the 8 rupa meaning 8 avinibhoga, 8 inseparable rupa. What are the 11 rupa means 8 avinibhoga together with 3 lahuta, muduta, kammanya. There are 3 rupa become 11. Okay. Now you can understand, no? Okay. Now I think now everyone remember that we already study about the Utuja kalapa. There are 4 types of Utuja kalapa and 2 types of aharaja kalapa. Now after that, the Pali, the internal and external. The next one, internal and external. How we understand Ajjatika and Bahira. Tatta suddhattakan saddhanavakan cheti de utu samuttahana kalapa bahiddapi labbhanti avasesapana sabbepi ajjatta mevati. Very, very good explanation. Of them, the 2 material groups produced by temperature, the pure 8 group and pure 8 with sound group, are found externally. 2. External 2. All other rest are strictly internal. Now you can understand. Now the totally how many kalapa? There are 9 kalapa of Kammaja. There are 9 Kammaja kalapa. There are 6 Chittaja kalapa. There are 4 Utuja kalapa. There are 2 Aharaja kalapa. All are 21 kalapa. Among the 21 type of Rupa kalapas list in Abhidhammatta Sangaha, only following 2 types. 2 types can be found both internally within the body of living being as well as externally in non-living things. Now you can continue our notes. There are 21 type of Rupa Kalapas list in Abhidhammatta Sangaha. Only following 2 types can be found both internally within the body of living being as well as externally in non-living thing. Temperature borne pure 8 group. Temperature borne sound with 8 group. All other type of Rupa Kalapa below are only found internally within living being. Now you see, these first 2, the first two of Utuja Kalapa, we can found internal and external, but rest are 19 Kalapa. Other 19 Kalapa, all are strictly in, we can found in internally only, within living being. All 9 type of karma-born Kalapa, all 6 type of mind-born Kalapa, but in the bracket, the 8 type, if including the 2 Chittaja Kalapas related to the in and out breath. The remaining 2 type of temperature born Kalapa with lightness trait, both type of nutriment born Kalapa. I think, okay, now you remember that among the 21 all Kalapa, we can make the 2 group. Some Kalapa, internal and external, we can see, we can find. But some Kalapa only internal, no more cannot find in externally. That's why there are 2 type of temperature born Kalapa, we can see internal, external. But other all are 19 Kalapa, we can feel, we can found only internally with living being. This is a meaning, this is explanation. Now the table 4E. Now you can go internal and external Rupa Kalapas, how we understand. Internal only yellow color, green color, internal only. Internal, external, yellow color. The type of Rupa Kalapas, Kammaja, Chittaja, Utuja, Aharaja, there are 4 Kalapa. Kammaja, there are 9. I no need to explain but we can use only Pali. Chakku Dasaka, Sota Dasaka, Ghana Dasaka, Yuva Dasaka, Kai Dasaka, Bhava Dasaka, Iti Bhava Dasaka, Purusa Bhava Dasaka, Hadevatu Dasaka, Jivita Navaka. There are 9 Kalapa of Kama-born Kalapa. There are 9 types of Kama-born Kalapa. About the Chittaja, there are, according to the Abhidhamma Sangha, there are 6. Suddhatakam, Kai Vinyati Navakam, Vachi Vinyati Sadda Dasakam, Kai Vinyati Lahutadi Eka Dasakam, Kai Vinyati Lahutadi Dwadasakam, Vachi Vinyati Sadda Lahutadi Terasakam. Now there are 6 according to Abhidhamma Sangha. But we add another 2 Chittaja Kalapa according to the meditation manual book. Assasa Passasa Sadda Navaka and Assasa Passasa Sadda Lahutadi Dwadasakam. And now total become 8. But the Utuja Suddhatakam Sadda Navakam Lahutadi Eka Dasakam Sadda Lahutadi Dwadasakam. There are 4 type of group. Aharaja Suddhatakam Lahutadi Eka Dasakam. Lahutadi Eka Dasakam, 2 group. Now you can you can see that the 2 yellow color, 2 Kalapa, Suddhatakam and Sadda Navakam. Those are 2 Kalapa. We can see internal and external, both, everywhere. But other all the green color one, everything only internal. But there are 2 extra Chittaja Kalapa, Assasa Passasa Sadda Navaka and Assasa Passasa Sadda Lahutadi Dwadasaka. The 2 Kalapa also only internal. Okay. I think maybe everyone already understood, no? About the kalapa, internal and external rupa kalapas. What is the difference between internal and external kalapa? How we understand, how we practically understand. When we are going to discern the rupa khanda, what is the clinging of the form aggregates? At that time, you have to practice every kalapas one by one. Anicca, dukkha, anatta. We have to practice. Okay. About the summary of that group, according to the Abhidhammatta Sangha explained, kamma chittotu ahara samuttana yathakamang nava cha chaturo cheti veti kalapa eka visati. Kalapanang paricheda lakkanatta vichakkana na kalapanga michahu akasang lakkananicha. There are 21 material groups. There are how many material groups? There are 21. There are 9, 6, 4 and 2. Produced in due to order from karma, consciousness, temperament and nutriment. Now you know about the 4 kalapa. Karma born kalapa there are 9. Chitta born kalapa there are 6. Utuja born kalapa there are 4. Ahara born kalapa there are 2. As space demarcates and the characteristic means akasa rupa and 4 lakkana rupa must just indicate the wise state that they are not constituents the constituent of material group. Hearing, this is the grouping of material phenomena. Now you can record now. We know there are all the rupa. There are 28, but among the 28 rupa, akasa rupa and 4 lakkana rupa, upachaya, santati, jarata, aniccata. They are all 5, except the 5 rupa. Other all rupa already become the kalapa, become the group, but except the 5 rupa. This is the meaning. Now how we can explain. We can read our notes. Let's continue. According to Abhidhammatta Sangha, there are 21 types of rupa kalapas in total. If we add the 2 additional chittaja rupa kalapas related to the in and out breath, there will be 23 types of kalapa. How we understand? Karma born there are 9 types. Mind born kalapa there are 6 or 8. Temperature born kalapa there are 4. Nutriment born kalapa there are 2. Now, table 4F rupas in the kalapa. Now, maybe please try to understand this table. Very important because we can understand how many rupa going to kalapa, how many rupa not including the kalapa. Everything clearly we can understand about the rupa and number. Now better we check first. Inseparable avinibhoga there are 8 rupa. Avinibhoga there are 8. Patavi, apo, tejo, vayo, vanna, gandha, rasa, oja. Remember, no? 4 Mahabhuta and 1 color, Gandha, smell, Rasa, taste, Oja is a nutriment, Ahar. There are 8 rupa together. Life faculty only 1. Life faculty only 1, Jivitindriya. Other faculties, there are 7. What are the other faculty? Chakku pasada, Sota pasada, Ghana pasada, Jiva pasada, Kaya pasada, Itti bhava and Purisa bhava. There are 7 other faculties. Okay. Heart base, Hadevatu only 1. And sound, Sad only 1. Vinyati, intimation, there are 2. Kaya vinyati and Vachi vinyati, there are 2. Lahutadi, there are 3. Lahuta, Muduta, Kamman, there are 3. Akasa dhatu, space, Rupa, only 1. And there are characteristic, Lakkana, there are 4. Upachaya, Santati, Jarata, Anichata. Now total how many Rupa? There are 28 Rupa. Now 28 Rupa we make the group. Avinibhoga Rupa, Jivitindriya Rupa, Indriya Rupa, Hade Rupa, Saddha Rupa, Vinyati Rupa, Lautadi Vikara Rupa, and Akasa Dhatu Rupa and Lakkana Rupa. Now 28. Now those are 28 Rupa. In the Rupas, how many Kalapa? 28 Rupa, we can make the Kalapa. There are 21 or 23 Kalapa. Total Rupa Kalapa, how many? 21 or 23. Okay, now I think you can understand, no? After that, now how many Kammaja Kalapa? There are 9. But totally, how many Kammaja Rupa? There are 17. How many Kammaja Rupa? There are 17. Okay, now in the green color mark, only Kammaja Kalapa. 8 Avinibhoga Rupa and 1 Jivitindriya Rupa, 7 in other Indriya Rupa and heart base. Those are 17 Rupa we can call Kammaja Rupa. But among the 70 Rupa, there are how many Kalapa? There are 9 Kalapa. There are 9 Kalapa. Again, you can go Kammaja Kalapas, the group. They are green color. They mark the green color. What are the, how many? The Avinibhoga, there are 8 Rupa. Jivitindriya, only 1. Indriya, there were 7. And Hadevatu, 1. Now total, there are 17 Rupa. 17 Rupa. Okay. But in the 70 Rupas, how many Kalapa? There are 9 Kalapa. There are 9 Kalapa. Now, but you try to understand why in the green color table, we put the number in front of 8, they have the 9, write with the 9 number. And in front of 1, they have the write a 9 number. In front of 7, they have the 1 each number. And in front of 1, they have the write and 1 number. What is the meaning? Because there are how many total how many Kammaja Kalapa? There are 9. Every Kammaja Kalapas, we can see the 8 group. That's why they say the 9 place. This 8 group, we can see the 9 place. The same way, the Jivitindriya only 1 group, but we can see the 9 place. But every Kammaja Kalapas, we can see Jivitindriya and 8 Avinibhoga Rupa. And but Indriya, there are 7 in front of the each Kalapa, only 1 Pasada. But I base only alone with the Jivitindriya and 8 Avinibhoga. But Chakku Pasada and Sota Pasada cannot live together, cannot live in the same in one Kalapa. They are separate. That's why the 7 Indriya always stay separately. One each. Hadevatu also alone. But this way anyway, there are 17 Kamaja Rupa, but there are 9 Kalapa. The same way, you try to understand about the Chittaja Kalapa. Okay, Chittaja Kalapa. Now, better the except red color, other all green color mark. 8 Avinibhoga Rupa. They are already Chittaja Rupa Kalapa. And Saddha Rupa in the Chittaja Kalapa. Vinyati 2 Rupa. And Lahuta, Mudita, Kamma, these 3 group also in the Chittaja Kalapa. Total, how many? There are 14. 8 Avinibhoga, 8 plus 1 Saddha plus 2 Vinyati plus 3 Lahutadi become total. There are 14 Chittaja Rupa. There are 14 Chittaja Rupa. In the 14 Chittaja Rupas, how many Kalapa? There are 6 or 8 Kalapa. We already studied, no? Okay. About the Utuja group. Utuja Rupa, there are 8 Avinibhoga Rupa in the Utuja group. And the Saddha Rupa also in the Utuja group. And Lahuta, Mudita, Kamma, the 3 Rupa also in the Utuja group. Now you can count 8 plus 1 Saddha plus 3 Lahuta group become 12. Utuja Rupa, they are total, there are 12 Rupa, but in the 12 Rupas, how many Kalapa? There are 4 Kalapa. There are 4 Kalapa. Aharaj Kalapa, there are how many Aharaj Rupa? There are 11. What are the 11? 8 Avinibhoga, 8 Avinibhoga Rupa, and 3 Lahuta group. 3 Lahuta group only. 8 plus 3 become 11. 11 Rupa. And how many Kalapa? There are 2 Kalapa. Now, in the present in Kalapas, now, but the last last line, this last line, try to get the meaning. Try to get the present in Kalapas, 21 and 23 means the 8 Avinibhoga Rupa. We can see every Kalapas. Every Kalapas means there are total 21 or 23 Kalapas. Every Kalapas we can see 8 group. And the Jivitindriya we can see only 9 Kalapa. 9 Kalapa. And the other faculties we can see in each 1 Kalapa. Each 1 Kalapa. Hadevatos we can see in the 1 Kalapa. Saddha, the sound, we can see the 4 or 6 Kalapa. 4 or 6 Kalapa. The 2 Vinyati also, we can see the 4 Kalapa. And the Lahuta, Mudita, Kamma, there are 3 group. We can see the 7 Kalapa. We can see the 7 Kalapa. Yeah. We can see this in 7 Kalapa, 7 place. And Akasa only 1, cannot see any Kalapa, 0. And the Lakkhana 4 there, cannot see every in 0. Now, anyway, you try to understand there are totally how many Rupa? 28. About the 2 Vinyati, we can see 4 place, no? It is right. Yeah, it is right. The Lahuta, there are, we can refer to this, go to the chapter, the chart, table 4E. 4E, at that you can understand about the Lahuta, there how many places. uh, in the Chittaja Kalapa, there are 4 places. There are 4 places, and the Uttuja Kalapa, there are 2 places. Ahajara only 1 place, becomes 7 places. Yeah, okay, right. Now the but anyway, you try to get the brief meaning of that table. There are 28 rupa, but the 28 rupas we can make the kalapa. There are how many kalapa? 21 or 23 kalapa. Then except 5 rupa, akasa rupa and 4 lakkana, 4 characteristic rupa, because the 5 rupa not including any of kalapa. 5 rupa not including any of kalapa. Okay, now we can continue. The 8 Avinibhoga rupas are present in all type of kalapas. So they are found in all 21 or 23 type of rupa kalapas of all 4 origins. Now you can understand, no? The explaining. The life faculty is present in all Kammaja kalapas, but it is not present in kalapas of other origin. Hence, it can be found in all 9 Kammaja kalapas only. The remaining 3 faculties, rupa, Chakku pasada, Sota pasada, Ghana pasada, Jivha pasada, Kaya pasada, Itindriya, Pumindriya, Itti bhava rupa, Bhava rupa, are found only in their respective Kammaja kalapa. For example, Chakku pasada is found only in Chakku dasaka, Chakkuga dasaka. Sota pasada only in Sota dasaka, etc. Hence, each of them is present only in one type of Kammaja kalapa. Okay, now we can continue. The heart base is present only in the Kammaja kalapa of Hade Vattu dasaka. So it is also present only in one type of Kammaja kalapa. The sound sadda is present in the following 4 or 6 type of rupa kalapas. Now you can see Chittaja Vachi Vinyatti Sadda Dasakam, Chittaja Vachi Vinyatti Sadda Lahutadi Te Rasakam, Chittaja Assasa Passasa Sadda Navakam, Chittaja Assasa Passasa Sadda Lahutadi Dwadasakam, Utuja Sadda Navakam, Utuja Sadda Lautadi Dwadasaka, in the 4 or 6 place, the sound. The 2 type of intimation, Vinyati, are present only in Chittaja Kalapas, and each of them are present in the 2 type of Kalapas, combining the 2 Vinyati Rupa. They are present in the following 4 Chittaja Kalapa. Chittaja Kaya Vinyati Navakam, Chittaja Kaya Vinyatti Lahutadi Dwadasakam, Chittaja Vachi Vinyatti Sadda Dasakam, Chittaja Vachi Vinyatti Sadda Lahutadi Te Rasakam. Now I use only Pali. Please, because now before we explain the present about the Kammaja Kalapa, now the sound. Sadda, there are 4, 6 places. We already explained now. But the 2 Vinyati. Vinyati also, there are 4 kalapa, no? The Pali we explained, Pali. The triad of lightness, softness, and wildness, Bhavta Mudda Kammanyata, are present in Chittaja, Uttuja, and Aharja kalapas when there are conducive supporting conditions such as strong mind, good weather, or suitable food. They are present only internally and can be found in the following 7 type of kalapas. 7 type of kalapas. Okay. Please go to the Pali. Chittaja Lahutadi Eka Dasakam, Chittaja Kaya Vinyatti Lahutadi Dwadasakam, Chittaja Vachi Vinyatti Sadda Lahutadi Te Rasakam. Same way, चित्तज अस्सास पस्सास सद्द लहुतादि द्वादशकं उतुज लहुतादि एकादशकं उतुज सद्द लहुतादि द्वादशकं आहारज लहुतादि एकादशकं. There are how many places? 7 places. Although the space element Akasa Dhatu is produced by the four causes, no? It is not present within any of Kalapas of the four origin. It is the demarcating, delineating, paricheda, delineating the boundary of the Kalapa. Now, Akasa meaning the boundary of Kalapa. It is the space that separate one Kalapa from another Kalapa. This space element can only be found between Kalapas and not inside the Kalapas. Inside the Kalapa. Hence, space element Akasa Dhatu is not found inside any of Kalapas. Now, understand, no? Lastly, the four characteristic Lakkana Rupa are just showing the characteristic of a Kalapa, indicating it is different stage, arising, generation, continuity, Upache Santati, the present and the perishing, the Jarata Anichata, they are not part of the Kalapa, and so they are not found within any of the Kalapa. Okay. Now but after that we have the two table, last two table. This one also very important for us to know. Appendix, the rupas at each sense door and 42 parts of the body. The table 4G, rupas and rupa kalapa at each sense door. Now, about the eye door, ear door, nose door, tongue door, body door, and mind door. How many kalapa, how many rupa in the each door? First of all, try to get the sixth door. What are the six door? Eye, ear, nose, tongue, body, and mind. About the Kammacha Kalapa, there are respective Kalapa. They have the Chakku Dasaka, Sota, Gahana, Jivha, etc. But the another way, Kai Dasaka, Bhava Dasaka, Jivita, Navaka. Now the group. Chittaja, there are 8, pure 8. Uttaja, pure 8. Aharaja, pure 8. Okay. In the one door, in the ear door, how many rupa? Total, there are 63. How we understand? 10 Chakku Dasaka, there are 10. Kaya Dasaka, there are 10. Bhava Dasaka, there are 10. Jivita Navaka, there are 9. 8 of pure Chittaja Rupa, 8 group of pure Uttaja Rupa, 8 of pure Aharaja Rupa. Total become 63. Become 63. The same way in the ear door also there are 63. In the nose door also there are 63. Tongue door also there are 63. But body door there are 53. But don't have special, but they have Kaya Pasada, no? Only 53. Mind door there are 63. Mind door there are 63. Okay. But this one also I am use the simple words, but the table 4H, next table, rupas and rupa kalapas by 42 parts of the body. But that table we make in the Pali only, but you can see the meaning of body parts the below of the table. Below of the table, they have the meaning of the body parts. What is the meaning kesa, what's the meaning loma, what's the meaning naka, what's the meaning danta, tacho, etc. They have the meaning. But anyway, you try to get the meaning, but those are things you can find in the meditation manual book also explaining predominant earth element, water element, fire element, wind element. Our all body parts, we can make the 4 group: the Patavi group, Apo group, Tejo group, and Vayu group. Okay. In the Patavi group, earth element, there are 20 rupa. So 20 body parts. 20 type of body parts become Patavi earth group. 20 type of body part become Patavi group. And the 12 type of body parts become water element. And the 4 type of body part become fire. 6 type of body parts become wind. Okay. Now again, the 42 parts of the body, we can make the 4 group according to the element: Patavi group, Apo group, Tejo group, and Vayu group. There are 20 type of body parts become Patavi group. There are 12 parts of Apo group, and there are 4 parts of Tejo group. There are 6 parts of Vayu group. Okay. Now every body parts, they have the Paramatta Rupa, how many Kalapa? Because sometimes we can understand Kamacha Kalapa, Chittacha Kalapa, Utuja Aharaja. Some both we can understand, we can feel. This way, there are 18 of body parts. Kesa, Loma, Naka, etc. There are 18. There are 18 type of body parts. There are 50 each body part. There how many rupa? There are 53 rupa, because they have the Kaya Dasaka, Bhava Dasaka, Jivita Navaka, pure 8 Utuja group, pure Chittaja 8 group, same Utuja group, and Aharaja group. Total there are 53. There are 53. But especially they have the 2 type of body parts, Udariyang and Karisang. This also including the earth element, but they are only Uttu 8 rupa, only Uttuja 8 rupa only. But I'm not going to explain detail here, but you can read the meditation manual book and you can understand. After that, the water element also, I told you there are 12 rupa, but 12 rupa we make this 3 group: 6 group, 4 group, and 2 group. There are 6 group. There are how many rupa? There are 53. Pubbang, Semhang, Lohitang, Medo, Vasa, Lasika. Those are 6 body parts. They have the 53 rupa. But they have another 4: Sedo, Asu, Kelo, Singanika. They are 16 rupa only. Chittaja 18, Utuja 8. Become 16 rupa. And 2 type of another water element, Pubbo, Muttang. They are only 8. They are 8 Utuja Rupa only. Okay. Same way, but the fire element. This one we make the 2 group, but the 3 there are 3 parts: Santapana, Jirana, and Daha Tejo. There are 33 rupa, because 9 Kammaja Kalapa, same way 8 Chittaja Kalapa, 8 Utuja Kalapa, 8 Aharaja Kalapa, become 33. 33. And the Pachaka Tejo, the digesting fire, only Jivita Navaka, only 9. Only 9. And but the wind element, there are 6 parts of the body, but there are among the five group. Uddangama, Adogama, Kochise, Kottase, Angamanganusari. Those are 5, there are 33 rupa. Because including Jivita Navaka and same way 8 group of Chittaja, Uttuja, Naharaja, 33. And Asasa Passas only Chittaja with Saddha Navaka become 9. Chittaja 8 with Saddha become 9. Okay. This one also you can understand for your knowledge, for your understand. I think maybe I don't know you understand or not today lesson quite the many Pali words, but I think not so deep, simple, but I repeatedly again and again use the Pali sentence, but someone not familiar Pali words. But anyway, you try to understand all are 21 type of kalapa. How many kalapa? There are 21 or 23 type of kalapa in the according to the rupa khanda, according to rupa. This is our explanation. Okay, this is today's Pavarana day. I rush to go now Pavarana, but now the Sangha is together. But anyway, if you have question, please write down, and next time we can discuss. Or today also we accumulate very good, wonderful, wholesome. By power of the kusala, may all of you be well and happy and healthy and free for all suffering and attain Nibbana soon. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Please repeat after me. Idam me punyang asavakkaya vahang hotu. Idam me punyang Nibbanassa paccayo hotu. Mama punya bhagang sabba sattanang bhajemi te sabbe me samang punya bhagang labhantu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Sukhi hotu, nibbana paccayo hotu.